So in this video, we're going to talk about the lies forex gurus, trading gurus always tell their customers. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to motivate me to continue sharing the knowledge for free. If you're looking to download forex robots, indicators, free forex courses, free books and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Let's get into it. So what are the lies that gurus love to tell their customers? Obviously, for trading gurus, forex gurus, investing gurus, obviously for most of them, their money lies in people subscribing to their services. Some of them even go to the extent of not doing any kind of trading. They make their money from education or the systems or the tips or signals that they provide their customers, so they do not need to risk their own money in the marketplace. So what are some of the lies that they keep telling people? Of course, they'll always tell you that trading is easy. Just watch the adverts on social media, on Facebook, even here on YouTube, everywhere else. The gurus will always make it seem like trading is easy. Guys, trading is not easy. It can be done. You can make a lot of money and it can be done. You can learn it and you can do it, but it's not as easy as the forex gurus or the signal providers or the guys that just want you to sign up for something will make you believe it is. Trading is not easy, especially on your psychology. If you are still starting, it's hard. Until you learn the skill, forex trading is not easy. Trading in general is not easy. If it was, trust me, there would be a lot of trillionaires just walking around. So gurus would try to make it seem like trading is easy. They will just like, as long as you are going to sign up, they make it like you are going to just like sail through. That's far from the truth. Second lie that they might want you to believe is that they have got this signal service that makes a lot of money, that you can actually leave your job and you can retire on their signals. Most of the time people actually do that. They are tempted to actually leave their jobs because they found this supposed signal provider who is making them money, and sometimes it's just that the signal provider has hit a sweet spot, just managed to find a winning streak. But most of the time you hear people actually crying after losing money with these signal providers. So don't be tempted to leave your job, sell your business, or do any of that just to rely on somebody's signals. Signals are a good way to learn your own trading, to get involved in trading, but eventually what you want to do is to actually learn trading for yourself. Learn trading for yourself. Don't rely on somebody else's signals. What happens if that person wakes up dead? What happens if that person just wakes up and they do not want to provide signals anymore? A trick that these signal providers sometimes use is you sign up for signals today and they tell you that it's lifetime signals. 30 days down the line, they tell you that either they tell you that there are people who did not pay that have joined, or there are scammers in the group, so they need to start a new group. So everyone needs to pay up because they're not sure who paid up in the first place. They make up funny stories just to get you to pay again. So you find that they are constantly creating new groups. And in order to remain in those groups, you need to continue giving them money. So don't trust them when they say you can retire on their signals, or that their signals are lifetime and stuff like that. Material stuff is not equals success. Gurus, trading gurus, who always want to show you their cars, their houses, their lifestyle, because that's the thing that you buy into, but it doesn't always equal to success. Some of the stuff is actually rented, some of the stuff is actually on credit. So what you see is not always equal to success. And by the way, that the guru is driving a fancy car does not always mean that he's a successful trader or he's successful in life, because life is more than that. Life is not just trading. Life is not just about making money. Life is more. It's not just about I've got $10 billion in my account, so I'm successful. Life is much broader than that. Of course, $10 billion in your account is going to make life bearable. It's going to make it comfortable, but it does not necessarily mean that you are successful because you've got a lot of money, because you've got a nice car, because you've got a fancy house. It makes life bearable, but it's not all about life. Life is much broader than that. So don't buy into this thing that if you do not have money, you are not worth. If you do not have millions or billions in your account, you are not worth it. No, life is more than that. People want you to think that because you are not a millionaire, you are not worth it, because they want you to join their courses, they want you to join their classes and stuff like that, and give them the little money that you actually have so that they can fund their own lifestyles. So just be aware of that. Then this is one of the worst lies that these gurus would want you to believe. Most of these gurus will actually want you to believe that theirs is the only way to success, that theirs is the only way to trading success, to investing success, that their strategy and their systems, their robots, is the only one, the only way to trading success, when it's not. Trading is broader than that. There are thousands and thousands of trading strategies out there. Many of them do not work, but still there are many that work. Your guru's strategy might be among those that work, but it's definitely not the only way to make money in trading. It's definitely not the only strategy that you can use to make money in trading. So don't be fooled when somebody says theirs is the only way to make money in trading. No, there are thousands and thousands of strategies out there, and most of the time some of these gurus have actually stolen that Forex robot and actually renamed it, or that system and renamed it. I've seen a couple of them doing it online. They take a system or a robot from online, then they rename that thing and resell it to people that are in their classes and stuff like that, and they sell it as theirs. And it happens. The Forex industry, unfortunately, is one of those industries where it's just ripe for scams. So don't believe it when your guru says theirs is the only way, and theirs is the only way to make money in trading. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.